I, Cheshta Gupta, along with my co-host, feel privileged to welcome all the distinguished guests, faculty members, students, and all those present here today. We are gathered here to mark the beginning of a new journey, a journey of growth, learning, and transformation. It is with great pleasure that we begin orientation program, and we are truly honored to have such an esteemed guest among us today.
We are delighted to welcome our incoming batches of BBA Honors, BBA, MBA Integrated, MBA and MBA International Business students to the orientation program of Leader International Business School. We also extend our warm greetings to our respected dignitaries, faculty members and students who have joined us here today. This orientation program is not just an introduction to the institution, it's the first step into the world of professional management, leadership and innovation.
It is our utmost privilege to extend a heartfelt welcome to the pillars of our institution. With a great honor and gratitude, we welcome our respected Director Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, and we are extremely honored to welcome our Chief Guest, Mr. Neeraj Marwa, and our Guest of Honor, Mr. Anuj Juneja, at the orientation program. At the same time, we extend a warm welcome to our students, members of the program coordinators, and audience who present here marks this celebration even more special.
What an honor it is to start the officially on such a positive note. Before we begin today's program, I'd like to introduce you to Gita International Business School. Here at GIBS, we are committed to nurturing talent, fostering an environment of excellence in education. The seed in the form of Rohini Education Society, sworn to provide quality education in 1983, has flourished to a tree, spreading its branches and stems of education far and wide. Through efforts, society has created several institutions of known standards and repute for imparting quality education right from kindergarten stage to master level under the brand name Gita Ratna.
GIBS was established in 2004. It is a self-financing certified and NAAC accredited institution. It is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, Delhi, and approved by All India Council of Technical Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India for technical courses, and Bar Council of India for law courses. The institute conducts various courses, namely MBA, MBA International, and BBA Integrated, BBA Honors, Integrated BBA LLB Honors, Integrated BBA and LLB Honors and LLM. GIBS has been graded A by National Assessment and Accreditation Council in the third cycle.
Following the GIBS tradition, let's kindle the ceremonial lamp for an auspicious start that symbolizes the dispelling of ignorance and awakening of knowledge. I request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Neeraj Marwa, guest of honor, Mr. Anuj Juneja, and our respected director, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, along with the dignitaries, faculty members, to kindly come together for the ceremonial lamp.
Let's now listen to the melodious rendition of Saraswati Vandana by our students. Saraswati
respected Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath, to deliver the welcome address. Let's hear some motivating words from the leader who has always been a guiding force for this institution.
Thank you, Janishta and Bobby, for inviting me for this inaugural speech and welcome address to all my new students who are joining this institution. It was 2004. We have come a long way since 2004 and we have a long way to go. New students like you join us, cover up their journey and move ahead with flying colors. And the time that we are meeting today is the time that we have to set a tune for tomorrow of how you are going to manage yourself in this new institution. Many of you must have left your school after 12th if you have joined a BBA course here, or you must have left your graduation college if you are joining a postgraduate program here. But anyhow, whether it was graduation or whether it is 12th class, you have joined and you have decided to join a professional course. Understanding the need of the professional course, the very first thing is that you have to commit not only to yourself but to this institution that if you have to become professional of tomorrow, discipline is the foremost thing that becomes very important for any professional. If you are disciplined, you are committed, only then you can ask for the amount of money that you are worth of. Today you may be joining the institution for making your career, right? Or you may be going in for becoming a good businessman or joining the business which has been established by your parents. But one thing which is very important for you to understand is that it requires learning, and learning is required throughout the life. Today also I read new books and new concepts so that I keep myself updated and I teach new things to my students. Similarly, you must have read many things in your 12th class, but you are going to develop many more new things and cognitive knowledge in this college. We believe in holistic education in this college. That means study is not the only thing that you have to do, but you have to become a holistic personality wherein you learn about different events, you learn to express yourself. If you are able to express yourself, obviously you will be able to impress to whom you are talking to, right? So the very first thing is, whether in last 14 years you have got the chance of speaking on the podium or not, but now in college you should take and grab this chance of improving your presentation skills, of improving your public speaking skills, so that you don't have that stage phobia of talking to the public. For the reason, in days to come, you will always be made to present something, or you will have to address to your fellow friends by speaking on this podium. So gone are those days when you were captive in a school, or gone are those days of college where you need not have got that particular opportunity of speaking to others. But in this institution, you will be given every opportunity to express yourself. So I welcome you all with this. Today we have two great eminent personalities, and you will find that these two great eminent personalities have come from different walks of life. One is a HR manager for Philips and AOC, and the other is an entrepreneur in himself. I thought of inviting these two eminent personalities for the reason that these are the two types of streams that you are going to choose in your coming life. Either you are going to become a serviceman, you are going to join a service to earn your living, or you are going to become an entrepreneur and give opportunities for others to work for you, right? So today is the chance that we listen to both of them, because you will be one of them in days to come, and this is what I believe, and I have faith in your abilities. So welcome to Geeta Rattan International Business School, and may you leave this institution with flying colors after completing your course. All the best. Thank you.
Director sir for sharing his views. We are filled with renewed vigor for the next phase of our ceremony that we are organizing.
Now, we invite our Director Sir to give green welcome to our Chief Guest, Mr. Neeraj Marwa, and our Guest of Honor, Mr. Anuj Juneja.
Welcome, Neeraj. Neeraj was my student in year 2001-2004. Anuj happens to be brother of my colleague, and he is having his own ITL Technologies, who goes in for looking after GPS instruments. Welcome, and thanks for giving us the time.
Mr. Anuj Juneja, founder of ITG Telematics Private Limited, with over 15 years of experience in sales, marketing and business innovation. A consistent performer and strategic thinker, Mr. Juneja brings deep expertise in sales management, team leadership and digital marketing. Let's now invite our esteemed guest of honor to share some thoughts with us.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's really been an honor here, and I really thanks Mr. Vikas for calling me here. And looking at the discipline of the students, I really appreciate that your enthusiasm and your discipline. There's no words. It's really great. Now, I would like to tell you three different things. Like he just mentioned, whether tomorrow you're going to be a businessman or you're going to be a serviceman. There always has to be these three P's, which are different from what you're going to read in your BBA and MBA. I'm not talking about price, product, or people. I am here talking about path, pursuance, and passion. So when I say path, you all have to select what path I'm going to take. In here in college, you have selected something, a course. But now going forward for your career, what path you are going to take. So generally whenever we meet students or in interviews, people ask what path I should take, sir. And I tell them a simple thing. Create two buckets in your mind. Going to make you a professional. Put it in your yes bucket. Even if it is playing a game, even if it is playing a guitar, do not believe that tomorrow you are going to become a businessman or tomorrow you are going to become a serviceman. First thing is to select the path. See what you excel in. See what your interest is in. Find out that. Keep putting things into your yes bucket. Keep filtering out your no things in your no bucket. Like whenever we go to an e-commerce site, we generally filter out and find out what best for us. Keep doing this thing with yourself. Once you have the yes bucket with you, second thing is pursuance. They all are interconnected, so I'm not saying create a path and then pursuance is something different. Keep pursue what you want to do. You have now got the path. You have now got a course. Be disciplined in your course. Find out this is what I wanted to do and now I'm doing. And third, the most important thing, whatever you have selected, do it with passion. People say you're mad about your work. This is the appreciation. Take it as a compliment that, oh, if somebody is saying that you're mad about your work. So this madness can get you the value which you're looking at. Like Sir said, the kind of money, the kind of worth I'm looking at, or if I want to become an entrepreneur, do whatever you want to do, but do it with passion. So thank you so much for inviting, and I guess you all will do good and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable insights and inspiring us with leadership journey.
Now I have the pleasure of introducing Mr. Neeraj Marwa, a seasoned HR professional with over 17 years of experience in human resource and organization leadership. Currently serving as the head of HR at TPD Technology Group, Philips NAOC. He oversees HR and administrative functions across various business units in India. Mr. Marwa has led key roles at Paytm, Samsung India, DS Infrastructure, and Living Media India Limited, leading initiatives in recruitment, payroll, SAP implementation, and performance management. It is an absolute privilege to have such an esteemed personality amongst us. Now I request our chief guest to share some thoughts with us.
Hi, I am Neeraj. I don't need to. Hope it's okay. I am audible to all of you? Yeah? Thank you. I thought of to say something, right? But after having understanding from the sir, both sirs, they both are senior to me. So you guys, first of all, clap for yourself. You had reached here. Right? I am also one of you who had pursued the bachelor's in business administration from IP University. I am from the earlier batch, very early batch of the IP University, and I am the student of sir. He made me today. I am standing here. Thank you. Clap for yourself where you had reached. Right? Thank you. So, how I want to understand from you guys how you see the corporate world. Is that what are your future plans? What are you insisting for? I want to understand from you guys. क्या देखते हो आप कल क्या होगा corporate world? Do you want to do a job or you want to do entrepreneur? क्या आप corporate world को क्या देखते हो? कैसे होगा कल? Give mic to somebody. हाँ mic दो ना. कौन बोलना चाहेगा?
On the first day, mic is coming your way.
Anyone? Students? There is no
Why?
right online, sir.
हाँ?
सबको स्टेज फोबिया या बोलने का फोबिया रहता है.
आज फर्स्ट डे इसलिए नहीं बोल रहे? हाँ? बताओ. Okay, so let's understand from your seniors. आप बताओ. बताओ? नहीं? कुछ नहीं. How you see the corporate world?
Because all students, we don't have exact idea what corporate world is, but yeah, we would love to know. We would love to explore. Enlighten us with what you've got.
Okay, so okay, good thing. Just as Anuj ji has said, so whatever path, whatever progress that you see, right? So whatever you choose for today, tomorrow you will be building up your future, right? So you should be passionate about whatever you be doing it, right? So I give you the little idea about how the corporate world is. What field you would be choosing it today, right? Right? He be coming with a sales experience, right? So I give you how much like the fields which are there in the corporate world, like whether it is HR, whether it is finance, whether it is marketing, whether it is sales, whether it is logistic functions. There are different functions. You need to be experienced enough to do that. So there are almost 1% of the people in the HR function of the total headcount that every organization would be having. There is 1% people who are in the marketing function. There is 1% people who are in the finance and the logistic function. Right? Rest of the people would be from the sales and the marketing function. I want to give you the real idea what you have to choose tomorrow for. Right? So whatever field that you choose for, whether it is sales or a marketing, I'm not saying कि डरो कि तुम sales HR choose ना करो कल मुझे opportunity नहीं मिलेगी. You have to be passionate enough. You have to be patient enough. Right? So, कि आज मुझे opportunity नहीं मिल रही, but you have to be patient enough to get this opportunity. That some good opportunity will come for. Wait for me. Right? If you are choosing the correct passionate field that you want to. Right. What else? और क्या आप सोचते हो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के बारे में?
Tell them about the struggles.
हाँ, okay. So yes. So what the sir has said कि बहुत चीजें ऐसी होती हैं कि like कि you have to struggle, you have to stretch yourself, right? You have to be stretched in a way कि corporate world में कि what like the relation building, right? You have to make your mind analytically very strong, right? Stretch that doesn't mean there are many times you have to stretch yourself in working hours also, right? Stretch yourself in today stretch yourself in traveling also, right? कि travel तो मुझे करना पड़े, यहाँ से मुझे करना है ना, तो उसके लिए भी stretch. So how you do yourself build for that stretch? ये बहुत जरूरी है. Analytical mind, different, out of the box नहीं सोचोगे, out of the box नहीं करोगे तो नहीं होगा. सारे यहाँ पे BBA कर रहे हैं. You all are BBA. सब BBA हैं. How you will look different? Different कैसे दिखोगे? Till that time, how you will different field नहीं करोगे, different exercise नहीं करोगे, different certification नहीं करोगे तो different नहीं दिखोगे. कुछ ना कुछ different करना पड़ेगा. If I come from an HR, right? If I have to shortlist some profiles, if I am looking for a fresher, तो मैं सबसे पहले प्रोफाइल देखूंगा. तो प्रोफाइल क्या होनी चाहिए? फ्रेशर्स होंगे तो क्या डिफरेंट मेरे लिए दिखेगा? सारे तो बीबीए हैं, सारे बीबीए हैं, सारे एमबीए हैं. They all are BBA and MBA. How you can look different in your profile? That what case studies you had worked on, what certifications you had done. Obviously सब freshers हो, सारे freshers हैं. Different कैसे दिखोगे? Different ऐसे तो certification courses different करोगे. Then you will all guys look different. तभी profile shortlist होगा, right? What I believe in, if you have 3 years of journey of bachelor's in business administration, then 2 years of journey of then of the master, in this 5 years, start working on one is the what beyond that bachelor's in business administration that you do, the certification you to open your mind. The certification that you want to do, right? Do that, and in the last of the year, develop yourself a personality development, right? Which is very important. वो 3 Idiot मूवी में जो सबसे नालायक था, उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी कैसे मिली? वो सही है because of the personality development, right? So work on these things. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to think female, females, all has to work, right? Females has their own expectation to deliver. Males have their own way of working, right? Today you are 18 years old, right? You all guys are bachelors in business. You are starting your career here. You are 18 years old. Right. So I'm not saying that today yes, males and females all are equivalent, right? All are equivalent, all are equal. But as a male, when you are getting married, reverse calculating yourself what you have to deliver. 27 की उम्र में सोचते शादी करोगे? हाँ? 27 की उम्र में सोचते शादी करोगे? शायद. तो शादी तब करोगे ना तो लड़की तुम्हें सिलेक्ट करेगी. हाँ? तो रिवर्स कैलकुलेट करना चालू करो कि 27 की उम्र में मुझे शादी करनी है, तो उससे पहले मुझे कमाना शुरू करना है. राइट? तो रिवर्स कैलकुलेटिंग योरसेल्फ कि मुझे कैसे डिलीवर करना है. हाउ आई हैव टू बी लुक डिफरेंट, right? How differently I can deliver, how stretch yourself, right? Institutes case studies, what case studies they give you, right? This is for your development. This is for your development. आप स्ट्रेच करोगे, डेवलप तभी अपने आप को डेवलप कर पाओगे, तभी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के लिए अपने आप को डेवलप कर पाओगे. Any question you have, I am here to answer today also, tomorrow also for you. Right?
Yeah, I'll ask you. Okay. What is something that you struggled the most with being in corporate world as of now?
Okay, मैं बताता हूँ. मैं being as a HR, मेरे लिए कई बारी गुड पॉइंट ये भी एम्प्लॉइज कहते हैं कि तो मैनेजमेंट को मैं आई एम अ ब्रिज बिटवीन मैनेजमेंट एंड माय एम्प्लॉइज. आई एम अ ब्रिज बिटवीन एम्प्लॉइज एंड माय मैनेजमेंट. बहुत बार होता है, मेरे को ये सुनने को भी आता है, मेरे एम्प्लॉइज मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप मैनेजमेंट को वो सारी बातें नहीं बताते जो हम आपको बता रहे हैं. ये मेरे लिए शायद कई बार होता है, पर आई हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर्सपेक्टिव. और कई बार ऐसे भी होता है कि मैं एम्प्लॉय से मेरे को आज तसल्ली हो गई है कि मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, राइट. मैं आई गिव देम सिंपली, कुछ मेरे साथ एग्रेसिवली आएगा, मैनेजर मेरे को सुना रहा है, मैनेजर मेरे से लड़ रहा है, ऐसा कल्चर नहीं होता है. बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं, राइट. एंड आई हैव टू मेक देम काम, आई हैव टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड देम कि क्या है, सब कुछ है, नॉर्मल है. मेरे को कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि मुझे उसको काम नहीं लगता, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है आप अच्छे से बात करें. पर कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि कहते हैं आप मेरी मैनेजमेंट तक बात ही को चाह रहे हो, ये क्या बात हुई, तो आप गैप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, ऐसा होता है. तो मुझे दोनों तरीके से हैंडल करना पड़ता है, राइट. और कुछ और बताओ. आज कुछ पेरेंट्स होंगे, पूछो, शायद मैं हेल्प कर पाऊं. Look, I tell you, I am a graduate from BBA. I had done masters from Pune University. Along with my graduation and graduation, I had done diploma in training and development, diploma in labor law. I am also LLB, right? So I am doing different. Today you have a chance to learn. Tomorrow when you are in a corporate world, you will not have a chance to learn. Learning का नहीं रुकता है, but पढ़ाई रुक जाती है. पढ़ाई के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है, एजुकेशन के लिए. पूछो. क्या? नहीं? Please. Very good.
Sir, very good morning. I choose BBA. So can you please tell me the practical skills that I should learn?
Practical skills or certification?
Sir,
That you ask your teachers, faculty, what beyond the BBA I can do? That will help you. बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं, मैनेजमेंट रिलेटेड है, लर्निंग डेवलपमेंट है, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट है, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट में है. तो
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
thank you. It's very good that you guys are reached. Clap yourself. It is been, I am among yours. I am always available to you guys. Not today, tomorrow also. Definitely I will plan to come to for placement in this institute, right? Not for a graduation people, but for an MBA. I had been to IIMs, I had been to MDI, I had been to IMT, when I had been to all the institutes. I had been here for 12 years now. Same company, 18 years of experience, 12 years, same company.
Do promise some internships to people.
Always welcome. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking words. Your insights have truly resonated with us. As a token of our deep appreciation and gratitude, we would like Director Sir Professor Dr. Vikas Nath to present memento and corporate gift to our chief guest and guest of honor.
Thank you, Neeraj, for spending your valuable time with us. And we look forward to having you with us in campus for campus placements. Thank you, Anuj. Give them a big round of applause.
It has truly been a day of learning, reflection and inspiration. On behalf of GIBS, I take this opportunity to express heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has made today's event a success. And to that, it is a privilege to introduce someone who plays a vital role in maintaining and enhancing the quality standards of our institution. Our very own IQAC coordinator, Professor Dr. Urvesh Chaudhary. I now invite Professor Dr. Urvesh Chaudhary, IQAC coordinator of GIBS, to present the formal votes of thanks.
Good morning, one and all present here. I welcome my dignitaries and I am highly thankful to my dignitaries. On behalf of entire GIBS family, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Anuj Juneja, founder ITT Telematics, and Mr. Neeraj Marwa, lead HR at TPV Technologies, for taking a valuable time to interact with our student last week, and it was very short notice. This change of program took place and you humbly accepted our invite. Your insights, experiences and engaging session have truly inspired and motivated our young minds. It was a privilege to learn from your journey and perspectives on the corporate world. We sincerely thank you for your presence and for making this session impactful and memorable. And at last, I would also like to add one thing to my dear students, because this is the first day of your, after 12th class, you have come in the college for the first day. And when we come into the college, we are having a lot of dreams. We come with a thumping hearts and we have many aspirations that we will be doing this, we will be doing that. As sir has rightly told you that if you want to succeed in the life, you have to make yourself unique. You don't waste your time. I don't say that don't enjoy. Keep your life light, enjoy also, but it is equally important to focus on your life goals. So set your goals, learn that what is the requirement for your goals, and according to the goals, start learning, performing, developing, and enhance your personality into that particular profession. Once again, I am thankful to our dignitaries and guests, or honor and guest chief guest. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
Next, we have a soulful culture performance by the Rap Club, a group known for filling the heart with melody, expression, emotion, and energy. So, let the harmonious voices and the rhythm of music transport you into a world of musical celebration.
there is a faculty member who's been designated as class coordinator for every class, right? So whenever you face any problem, any kind, you approach the class coordinator, okay? If you face any problem on the academic front or any other problem, the first person you have to get in touch with is the class coordinator, right? The class coordinator in turn will report the incident or matter or whatever it is to the program coordinator. And the program coordinator reports to the director. So this is how the hierarchy goes. So it is important that you should know who's the program coordinator and who's the course coordinator. Besides these, in every class there will be a class representative who will be one of the students designated as class representative. So whenever you have any applications, any problems, you want to take leave, you are absent, any such, all your applications have to be addressed to the director, but they have to go through the class coordinator and the program coordinator. So my name is Professor Dr. Abhijit Das and I am program coordinator for BBA second shift. Similarly, we will introduce the other program coordinators and class coordinators. So BBA second shift students, I am the program coordinator and we will be introducing the class coordinators as well as other program coordinators also.
Indeed, it's a great pleasure of mine to welcome you all. And my name is Dr. Chetna Mahar, and I am program coordinator of BBA first shift. So I can see budding managers sitting in front of me. So, and you can reach to me because as far as my sitting is concerned, so that is on 3rd floor. So if you have any problem, any doubts, any clarifications you require, you can reach to me in 306. Thank you.
Available in room number 206. 206. I would also like to invite all the class coordinators in case they are present here. First year class coordinators. Please come and introduce yourselves.
A very good morning to all. My name is Geeta Khari. I am assistant professor in Center for Management Studies and I am class coordinator for BBA MBA Integrated first semester. So the students of BBA MBA Integrated, if they are having any issues, you can come and contact me in room 509 and I would be there for you. Thanks.
Very good morning to all of you, and I am Pushpa Prajapati, Assistant Professor CSM. I am the class coordinator of morning first shift A section M1A, and I am available on 3rd floor 306. Yep.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to first year students. My name is Dr. Karishma Jain and I am coordinator of first year morning batch in 1B. And if you have any issues related to the subject, related to class, any other thing, then you can contact me. I am available at 3rd floor 306. Thank you.
You have your balloons? Now wait for my instructions. 1, 2. You will have to save your balloons from your neighbors. You have to save your balloon. दूसरों का balloon फोड़ना है आपको. आपको दूसरों का balloon फोड़ना है. पीछे. And everyone has to try to save the balloon. दूसरों का balloon फोड़ना है. So these are the winners of the game. Hearty congratulations to all of you. We will be getting our gifts from the show. Till you get your gift, then you can do what you want. I need
कैमरा हटा दो.
In fact, give me all your balloons. Everyone give me your balloons. Yes, we have 2 people. Okay, so we have 2 more winners. See, what we learned through this exercise is, as a manager, you have to give instructions to your subordinates and get them to complete the task. So, this is the essence of this exercise, that as a manager you have to give instructions to your subordinates and the subordinate has to carry out the task. So, we want 1 more volunteer, 2 more volunteers. Yes, you've seen what the game is like. We want 2 more volunteers.
योर बैटरी भी चार्ज नहीं है
Right. want you to form groups, sit in groups of 7 students. 6 or 7.